Metalcraft is a low volume, high mix organization. So the problem there is a traditional robotic system doesn't work real well. They're difficult to set up, they're difficult to program. You really need to be able to run that thing for weeks or months at a time before you change. Our limited resource today is our machinists. And so one of the ways of many that we found that we can get more utilization out of our people is through automation. So we want them to be able to run a machine while tending another machine that a robot's dealing with. So it has to be quick to program, quick to set up. So we needed a platform that allowed us to do that. When we made this decision to move forward, we talked to several of the local robotic integrators. Everybody had one of three faults. Either they didn't have a robotic that fit our easy program requirements, or they didn't have the support to teach us what we needed to know. And quite honestly, almost every one of them had the issue that what they wanted to do was do a turnkey, drop it on our floor, and they're done. That's not what we're looking for. We needed somebody that could teach us. And when we started talking with PCC Robotics, they immediately got our vision.
Our approach with Metalcraft is not unlike a lot of the customers that we've dealt with, where the intention is not to come in and deliver a system and never see you again. We're in regular contact with Metalcraft. We're talking about a lot of different applications here. We visit quite frequently, and it's an ongoing relationship.
We went out and we hired an intern college student before we even made a decision, and they were able to train Eric to get up to speed so that we could move ahead and continually, it's an ongoing thing for us to have to implement new opportunities on a weekly or at least bi-weekly basis.
We had a pretty clear vision of what they wanted to do up front. It included investing our time and energy into an intern that was going to become the automation guy.
It didn't take long at all. It was almost immediately. UR offers online modules that take you through step-by-step to learn the setup of the robot and the basic programming capabilities and on through more complex skills. Once I got the teach pen in my hand, I was able to program waypoints myself, and PCC Robotics were really able to take me through the step-by-step process from start to finish, so I would be able to do it myself.
We decided as a leadership team at Metalcraft, we said, we need to try this. We didn't know if we were going to be successful. So we threw out return on investment calculations. We set aside a bucket of money, and it's a very small bucket, in which we hired Eric and got a robot. And we said, if this thing can be successful, the return on investment is a given. It was more a strategic decision for us. This machine can run completely unattended. It runs overnight by itself. On Friday afternoons, when the week is done, the guys will load it up with parts, verify that their tooling is fresh, and we can get anywhere from 6 to 20 hours of additional unattended running into the weekend. Was it successful? It was a huge success. Return on investment, I don't know what it is, but I know it was a big win, and that's all I need to know to move forward with the next project.